This is a piano tutorial on the Christmas song, God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen, this time as a piano accompanist. So we're not going to be playing the melody in the right hand. We'll be singing it. The right hand will play the chord, and the left hand will play the root note of the chord down low as a bass note, the note the chord's named for. So we're going to try to keep our melody, our chord below the melody, to help bring that out. So our first chord is E minor, and we're going to play it like that because that's the melody note. So it's G, B, and E. God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing, there's your C chord, and that's your melody note, so that's why we're playing it like that. G, C, E. Nothing you dismay, there's your B7 chord. And that's keeping the melody note higher than the chord as well. It's A, B, D sharp, F sharp. Then that phrase repeats. Remember, there's your E minor, G, B, E. Remember Christ our Savior was born. There's your C chord, G, C, E. Born on Christmas Day, there's your B7 again, A, B, D sharp, F sharp. To save, now the melody's going up there, so I'm going to move my A minor chord like that, C, E, A. To save us all from Satan's power, G chord on Satan, we're going to do D, G, B. Satan's power, there's your B7 chord on the third beat there, B, D sharp, F sharp, A, power in B, there's your E minor chord, B, E, G, and that fits nicely with the melody note right there. We were gone astray, and there's your melody note, and we're having a D7 chord, C, D, F sharp, and A like that. Oh, tidings, there's your G chord, D, G, B, that's your melody note right there. Tidings of comfort, there's your B7, B, D sharp, F sharp, and A like that. Comfort and joy, there's your E minor, G, B, E. Comfort and joy, D7, C, D, F sharp, A. Oh, tidings, there's your G chord again, D, G, B. Tidings of comfort, there's your B7 again, B, D sharp, F sharp, A. And joy, there's your E minor like that again. So those fit pretty nicely. We'll just have to add the root note down low as we do this. So when I'm playing my E minor chord, there's your E note down low. And then the C chord, I'm playing my C right there. And then B7, I'm playing that B note right there. So whatever the root note is of the chord, you're playing that down low. So always practice it hands alone, and then put the hands together. And it's a good idea. I have the lead sheet for this online for those of you who took my instant piano class. I would suggest printing that out. And also, when you do your fingering for the right hand, this is for the solo version, be sure to write that in. It'll help you remember it as you go along. So here is what it sounds like when you're all through. God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember